Where's Dad? We're playing pillow games. Where's Dad?
Oh.
What is Daddy doing? He's jumping up and down. Where's Dad?
Daddy Poofa.
What Daddy? Foofa? What's that?
Gaga. Daddy Gaga.
Daddy Gaga.
I like your breath.
The pit where Daddy goes down.
Her mouth, she was on it.
Goes.
Are you rolling Daddy up like a taco?
Oh.
And this is my cackle.
That's your taco?
Uh-huh.
What's it taste like? What's on your taco?
Daddy Poofa.
What does that mean? What does
I
that mean?
It's hot. It's hot.
You guys are gonna hide? Where are you gonna hide? Oh. Boy, where did Daddy and Audrey go?
She has no clue.
Where did they go?
No idea where we are.
Are they here?
She found us. Oh.
Where did they go? Where's Dad? Oh! Are they under here? Where did Daddy and Audrey go? Are they in the bathtub? Are they under the bed? Are they in the kitchen? Are they under here?
Tell a joke.
Tell a joke. Tell me a joke.
Do you know any jokes?
Do you know a joke? Hey, Apple.
Hey, Apple. Knife. Hey, knife. So the.
You're fruity.
So the.
Up high.
Scooby-Doo be nice.
Doobie.
Hey, you have bacon in your toes.
You have bacon in your ears. You have cookie in your ears, Daddy.
I do.
You have oranges in your belly button. Oh, one of your eggs.
My eggs. Guess what?
What?
City bitten. I like city bitten on my shirt. This is city good.
You have a silly button on your shirt. Should I turn it on?
Uh-oh. Oh.
Are you crushing Daddy? Are you crushing him? Let me see your face. Are you crushing him? Don't lick his pillow. Give Daddy a kiss. Pick the pillow up and give Daddy a kiss and put the pillow back. You're gonna give him a kiss and then put the pillow back. And then say, Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Then next time yell it really loud. Happy Father's Day.
I eat my sandwich.
You made a sandwich? What's in it, Daddy? You made a Daddy sandwich?
He see me.
He saw you?
He makes funny faces.
He's making funny faces when you do that? You guys are silly billies.
You're the silliest person I know.
Uh-oh, a big pillow. It's stuck. Mommy,
Yeah?
when you put this pillow, can I make a sandwich?
You want to make a sandwich out of it? What do you say?
Please.
Please and thank you.
Mother, father,
When you
man.
when you make your daddy sandwich, you gotta say, please and thank you for our food.
Please and thank you for our food.
Now eat daddy's sandwich. Oh my gosh.
It's I put bacon and ham, see?
Oh, bacon?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, yummy. What else should we put on him? What's this?
Cheese and tacos.
Cheese and tacos? That's a big sandwich you're making on top of daddy. I don't have anything else.
How about big pillow?
The real big pillow? Okay.
Just pink.
Here, what is this on your sandwich? Apples?
Yeah.
Cookies?
Apples.
What is this?
I need this.
Okay. What is that?
Orange.
An orange? That is a pretty big daddy sandwich. Holy cow. What else?
It's hiding.
He is.
Yeah.
There you go. What's this? Pickles? Be careful. Okay, last one.
Chips.
Chips? Ooh, that's good. That goes good with a sandwich. Oh my goodness. Look at this daddy sandwich. Are you going to eat it? Are you going to eat that daddy sandwich? What are you looking for? I think you used all our pillows.
How about my pillows? I could get my pillows.
You're going to get, I bet daddy's probably getting pretty hot under there. Are you going to eat it? I'll go get your... Your ladybug pillow? Okay. Alright. Let's take it in there. There's Abigail.
Daddy sandwich.
Okay. Up you go. What is that?
Sauce.
What is it?
Sauce.
Sauce? Yum. Let's eat it.
You eat this one.
Okay, I'm gonna come over there and eat some too. We gotta take some of this off of Daddy. Daddy, are you hot? Uh-oh, is Daddy okay? Let's get these pillows off! Hurry! Let's make sure Daddy's okay! How about this one? Uh-oh, can you take that last one off? Wow, that was an awesome Daddy
How
sound.
about me?
Okay.
And me. And I'm going to.
All right.
I'm gonna make a cheeseburger. We need hamburger, buns, pickles, onions, ketchup. Are you stuck?
How about you,
Was that
Mommy?
too much?
How about you, Mommy?
Okay.